Hi there, so I'm here today to introduce you to a vlog that I filmed a couple weeks ago. It's kind of like my 4th of July celebration and I hope that you enjoy it. Just kind of me and my friends chilling, so I'm sorry I didn't get very much footage, but it was late at night and there wasn't really much time to film. It was super cold that night too, which is weird for like a July celebration. And
sorry I kept you waiting forever and a day, but now we're out here together with nothing standing in our way. Can you feel the attraction? Feel the attraction.
The favorite part about this board is that it's second. Somebody else.
You know what? That's offensive. Do it again.
Yeah, did she that? He already knows. What did you do? I just pushed her over.
I started laughing. I get the board and slam it on your face.
Like, could you not? Could you not? Could you not?
You gave me a gold star.
I gave Matt a red star.
Yes!
Could you not?
Taking over your body, it's flowing through your mind. This feeling's got me on fire.
What?
Can you feel
Even got wrecked. He hit himself?
Yeah.
My Leah, I won't sell your organs again. The funny part is like you think we're kidding.
through like electricity? Feel the love. Ooh, can you feel me? Ooh, can you feel me?
look, it's a little duck. A little tiny duckling, so cute.
Scrambled eggs.
We're dining like kings and queen for me.
I've never had my scrambled eggs. I make balls. You guys want to do something?
You can have one. You can have one.
I'm gonna get more.
You can have one.
We're at the napkin restaurant. Need us napkins.
I heard eating napkins is I heard it's great for the digestive system.
Steven's time. That's the first time I've finished my burrito.